everyone! So, Mother's Day is coming up, and we want to give Mom a card for Mother's Day because we want to write to her and tell her how much we love her. So, we're going to make a card. You're going to need a piece of paper. You're going to need a toilet paper roll. You could use a paper towel roll and then cut it into smaller pieces. It doesn't have to be very much. A toilet paper roll is perfect. And you'll also need some red. It doesn't have to be red. You could use another color though too. Some paint. I have some red paint today. So, are we ready? Here we go. Let's take our paper. Now, my paper has two sides. One is white and one is pink. I want Mom to see the pink side, okay? So I'm going to fold over. That way we don't see the white. Okay, I'm going to fold that over in half. And then we're going to crease it. Just like that. There we go. Now, we could give Mom a really big card like this. Or we could make it smaller. So then what we do is we're going to fold it in half. Okay, so we're going to fold it in half. Just like that. And then we're going to crease it. Ooh, voila! We have our card. Now, we could write in it this way, or we could write in it this way. I wonder which way you will choose. I'm going to write in my card this way. So I'm going to get a marker. You could use a crayon or a pencil or a pen. And I'm going to write, Dear Mom, I love you. Now, if you're not sure how to spell that, I'm going to write it on my board so that you can see it really well. Dear, D-E-A-R, and then Mom, M-O-M, Dear Mom. I love, L-O-V-E, or if you want, you could do a heart. I love you, Y-O-U. Dear Mom, I love you. Okay. Now, if you need more time to look at this, you can pause the video and then when you're ready, you can start it again. Okay, so we have our card. Now we want to decorate the outside so that it's really beautiful. We're going to get our paint, and I'm going to put some paint on a little lid here. That way it doesn't get all messy. You could put it on a lid, or you could put it on some paper, or you could put it on a paper plate. I'm going to put the lid on because we don't want to get paint all over. If you get it on your hands, make sure you wash your hands, okay? Now we're going to take a toilet paper roll and we're going to make it into a heart. How are we going to do that? Well, here we go. The first step we're going to do is we're going to press down on the top of it, okay? So it's in a circle. We're going to press down right in the middle, just like that. Okay, so it's in a circle. We're going to press down. At first it looks like a triangle. And then when we really press down, it looks like a heart. So I'm going to do that again. Okay, so now it's a round toilet paper roll. We're going to press down in the middle, make a triangle, press all the way down, and make a heart. And then we're going to dab the heart in our paint. Okay, we're going to dab the heart in our paint. And then we're going to use it like a stamper. And we're going to stamp the hearts on here and make it look so beautiful. And if it doesn't stamp very well, you can re-dab it in the paint, line it up, and press it on again. So beautiful! And then you can draw some more hearts with your marker or your crayon. And we have a card to give Mom at Mother's Day. Have fun! See you later.